Alright, so I saw a bunch of videos on E55s, not really any of an SL, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty much similar. So a couple things. Fan's gotta come out. To get the fan out, did have to undo this. Tiny bit of coolant came out of here. Also had to undo this fitting, which I think is maybe transcooler, power steering, one of the two. And no fluid came out of that, which is nice. And then a couple other things to be aware of. So belt's gotta come out. Obviously, just take both out. Take your supercharger first. Take the other one second. Fan connector is pretty easy to get to. And then one kind of important thing you can see here, obviously, these are so soft. It is so easy to, as you're pulling the alternator out, just barely nick this, and it's going to put a huge gash in your, what is this, radiator condenser? This is a radiator, in your radiator. So, and then this is your double idler. This guy right here, that does have to come out for the alternator to come out. So if you don't take this out, you're going to be pulling on the alternator and go straight into your radiator. And then the other thing is this alternator, these hoses don't have to come out. I have them kind of loosened a little bit so that they move more, but it can fit. And then it seems like the best orientation is so pulley facing up, and then that, and you pull out basically. So that seems to be like the best orientation for the alternator to fit through all this mess of hoses. And then one other thing too is, I was a little confused at first, so I thought I had the wrong alternator. This is the old alternator, but the new plate. So basically I had to take off this plate. It's just, you know, 2 screws here, a mini down there. And then I had to take the old plate and put it on the new alternator, because this is wrong. It doesn't fit an SL, at least. I'm not sure what this is for. It's super close, but it does not fit. So all you have to do is, if that is the case for you, take off this plate, 3 bolts, and put it on the new alternator. This is not the voltage regulator, so that is underneath this plate. So you are still, you know, using the new voltage regulator. And then obviously once you do that, put it back together, and hopefully all your electrical problems are fixed.